The 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, four-wheel ABS, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, Bluetooth, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, MP3 player, passenger airbag, electronic stability control, CD player, side head airbag, power door locks, fog lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.